Alright, oh. Wait a minute.
What the hell?
So, you're Kermit, huh? Strange. Didn't think frogs like you still existed.
Sorry, who the hell are you? Because I never seen you before in my life.
Of course you wouldn't know me. Serial designation J. I was sent here to eliminate you.
Serial the what now?
Note to self. Not the brightest.
Not the brass? Excuse the fuck out of me? What did you say? You son of a freaking heathen?
You're funny. Really are. But I do have a job to do, because I do want to get paid.
Okay, a job? What kind of job are you basically gonna be having already? That does not, like... What kind of job do you even have? Like a strip club or something? Kermit, she is not from a strip club. That is a murder joint from the Murder Jones universe. And what the hell are you even talking about? The fuck happened to you? Replacement model? Oh, that will basically make sense. Anyway, what do you fucking want from me?
Well, you see, you have quite the price on your head. And I was chosen for the job to, well, acquire said funds by eliminating you. Entirely.
What, is this a fucking Genesis rod or something? I did nothing wrong to you. Like, literally. Kermit, that's not the point. Shut up, Razor, no one asked you. Where are we? Oh yeah. You can't kill me, I'm packing fucking heat.
So am I.
Do it, pussy. No balls. Kermit, she is a murder drone, and that's a girl. Oh, right. No drone balls. Kermit! What? Just try and basically make some funny shenanigans or something. Come on. God.
Honestly, I thought you would have come up with something better. I've seen all your old videos. Quite amusing to a human being. But not someone like me, who actually enjoys their job.
What are you even gonna do? You gonna have like a big, huge transformation or something?
No. I seem to not understand how most bounty hunting works. Wait a minute, Oh. Oh, I do like the sound of that. Oh, I like the sound of that indeed. So, Kermit, it is my employers informed me that I have some new abilities I can use against you. So therefore, I'm going to do so to make sure I complete my job. I know you'll understand soon enough. And again, you are a lower life form after all. Oh, now I like this.
Oh god, heart me, mommy. Kermit! Why? Just thought she's basically, you know, thick.
They said that they would have upgraded me, but this is a bit excessive. I have to have a talk with the R&D department, I guess. Oh. I do like this, though. Oh, I like this a lot. Makes my job easier. Oh makes it a lot easier. And the fact you called me what you did, I'm gonna make sure that you really feel the pain.
Okay, are you...
Not in a fun way either.
Okay, are you done viewing for yourself, or basically viewing Kermit of your crazy, suicidal, or genocide thing? He's over there, by the way.
They're not my concern.
You think you're so thick, so powerful, that you have, like, the most complete budget increase for some reason? That is fucking bullshit. There was also a budget increase v Murder Drone's character. Now that is thick.
Well, guess we should get to this fight or whatever. Then, you know, me doing my job in one... No. 1 second. Hello. This is Jay. Yeah. Oh, really? Well, you could have told me that sooner when I did this whole system update. There's a pay incentive? You know, alright, okay. I do wish to have a discussion with R&D when I'm done with this. Yes, of course, thank you.
Was that your mom?
Well... Let me just... do a little something here. Oh, jeez.
Okay, seriously, what in the fuck? She's a hugest, like, biggest, thickest model I've ever seen. That is fucked up, and that's a... Hey, what are you doing? You can't do that. No, 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 don't you dare. 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 Yeah, I don't think that counts. So, yeah, he's not dead.
Impossible. No mere mortal would survive a barrage like that. Especially from someone as great as me.
Yeah, you know what happens in the MRV, so, it kind of basically counts as a DAU plot number shenanigans, but a double kill or double tap can actually literally kill him in an instant. So, you can go ahead and shoot him twice if you want to or not.
That is a good idea. I want to get paid. So, let's get this done and over with.
Okay, yeah, I think Kermit's dead, so, guess that counts for the video, so, wow, I'm kinda basically surprised he basically increased the, your model. You know, from the budget. That's kinda nuts. Nope.
Oh. Okay. That gonna take some getting used to. Ugh.
Okay, so...
My job here is done.
Well, hold on, before you leave, let me just basically, give you the money, because that's for basically the episode. So, here's, $500 cash, and here you go. Yeah, good luck on your business adventure, or whatever. Or something. But yeah, thanks for coming. Senzabine!
Thank you, Razor. I want a rematch. That was bogus. I did crazier in the DAU.
Kermit, you already done
Razor, I
it.
want a rematch.
Kermit, you done this in the DAU. I'm not giving you a rematch. For God's sake.
I want a rematch. Sell. I want a rematch.
Fuck you, Kermit!
Come on. I want a rematch. That was bogus. They cheated.
Okay, if you want a rematch, then how about this? 10 likes, Kermit gets a rematch from Jay. Is that better?
Do it, please. That was bogus.
Okay. Yeah, 10 likes will do the, a rematch with Jay. But yeah, hopefully. So, yeah, thanks for watching. And also, thank you for 11 likes for the, VR glitch first video. Thank you. Anyway, Sal, where are you? Gotta kick your ass. Come here. Wait. Raise up.